Here we are at 2 weeks old. 7 happy, healthy puppies with our eyes starting to open. It's mean, growling.
What are you doing, killer?
Look at that face.
Did you hear it growl and bark?
Oh, there's a big yawn. Ferocious, aren't you? Oh.
Because those are wide eyes.
Cute.
Oh, I think she's Newfoundland.
What's her problem?
She's a whiner. Yeah, boy.
I like to yawn. Pick up that big one.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, he's heavy. As soon as you touch them on their cheeks,
Yeah.
they start yawning. Oh, he just peed on me.